Hi, in this video I will show you how to create, personalize and clone website templates. Let's dive right in. For this, we're again in our sub account and go to Sites. Here we have an overview of all the web pages, and for example, we take the second to last one, test website. Here we click on the three dots next to it and then go to Upload to Website Templates. We give it a name, Test Website as an example, and specify in which category it should happen. We choose Financial. Additionally, we can also say that we want it in multiple categories, so we also include it in Beauty and Fashion. Upload. Now you have the option to upload a cover image here below, use tags and insert a specific type. Also, you write here, this is a test website as a small description. And here you can add your full description in more detail, also with bold letters and so on. Then you can either save it as a draft, but we say publish template, confirm. It was successful. Close. And now we go back to switch to our agency account and here go to the template library on the left side. Once here we go to websites because that was a website template. And you see directly at the top what we just uploaded. Now it doesn't look as nice as the others because we didn't use a cover image, but you can either change it back to draft or clone it. I say I will touch on this. And then it's automatically in draft mode directly to the left. Here we could just adjust a small thing and reinsert it as a new template and make it available to our clients. Feel free to take a look at it. I think it's a great addition, and I'll see you in the next video.